Hello to everyone, this is Joanna and I am back, and this time I want to share with you what I got from Bath& Body Works, Victoria's Secret, and Home Depot. So I will probably share this little thing last. Now, I went out to Bath& Body Works today to pick up my order for the hand cream sale. And at first I wasn't going to get any, y'all. I have so many hand creams. I have a box full of hand creams with matching hand sanitizers, and they're both probably old. I've had a couple hand creams go bad on me, but these particular ones I really did like and I wanted again. So I went ahead and got them. So the first one we have is the Honey Fragrance Coco Shea. And then I got a Strawberry Pound Cake. And then I got a Sensitive Skin Milk. And I got a Vanilla Ease because I like that scent. A Vanilla Cafe, and of course I had to get a pumpkin glaze. I almost got two of these. Now, if y'all remember the lotion clips that they made, I still have quite a few of those. So in my case, I'm able to clip these lotions onto my purse and onto my bags. I have plain ones. I had one with a bee, a bumblebee, and then I had some other ones with little things on them, little palm trees and things like that. I still have the little pocket bag holders that were the rings. I also got the honeycomb because I seen it online, so I went ahead and got that today. That's what I picked up today. And then of course my creams I ordered yesterday. So our next thing is, y'all already know, I went into Victoria's Secret and there I found a surprise. They had their cherry collection out and I was able to mess with it, y'all, and I had to leave with two of them. Now they were 2 for $28 today or 3 for $33, and I imagine eventually they'll be on that sale where you get like 5, because I do still want to get me another Vanilla Rebel lotion. We had the lotion in the mist in store today. It is, however, less and less every time I go. So let me share with you first. The one that I didn't get was because I like these two the most, but I did like that one as well. I mentioned in my little short that that one is like a perfumed cherry. So when I go back, I'm sure I'm going to pick it up because I did like all three. But this one was the second one that I liked the most. This is Forbidden Cherry. And it says sugared black cherry and warm golden woods. Now, I thought because of the wood, it was going to smell, you know, this is different from the cherry that they have out that is out with Vanilla Rebel. It is different than the cherries that I have picked up in the pink collection and the cherry elixir. And I think I mentioned in my short that I do have some of the cherries, but I don't have all of the cherries ever released. So to me, this cherry and the other one, this milkshake one, is not similar to anything that I already have. I did mention that when I sprayed this in store, that it had a red licorice scent to me, and I did like that, like on the first spray. I didn't keep smelling that. I don't know if you'll smell that. There's no licorice in here that I know of, but that is what I got. And we didn't have the lotions to these. I'm sure that we'll get them. I just don't know what the sale will be. I also wanted another sugary buttery lotion, and I mentioned I'll have to get it online because we don't have any in the store. And every time I go in, there's less and less of that spray. So this one is a really nice one. I sprayed the marshmallow on me in the store. It's still on my shirt. Now, I didn't smell it on me too much, but then I've been out and about and I've been wearing a mask. But I sprayed this on me in the store. And I'm noticing now that I'm home that these have a little design. Like this one has the pinstripe bottle. This is the one that I said to me kind of smelled like maraschino cherries when you first opened them up. It gave me a hint of that fragrance when I sprayed it. And then it dried down just into a cherry scent. And I also mentioned that to me, these are light. They're not as light as Vanilla Lace Fake, but I did feel, like I said, my Hearts and Candy and those three fragrances for Valentine's Day were stronger than these, even though the Hearts and Candy is light. I feel like this may have been made for the summertime. It's not necessarily a water scent, but it is a light scent, something that's not too heavy. Because like the cherry elixir, I think came out during the cold weather. It's heavier. I have another cherry that was in a tube with cherries on it that I did not get to get the mist to, that came out with their vanilla. That one is stronger than this one. So these are nice and light that they can be worn now. And if I wore one to work, it would probably be this one. But they are light enough that they can be worn now. And like I said, that third cherry to me had a perfumey scent. So this right here says Sweet Cherry Glaze and vanilla marshmallow cream. And it did. What I'm picking up on as the maraschino cherry scent could be a glaze. And it's really, really nice. It was nice when I sprayed it. And like I said, it's still in my shirt. And it just smells cherry. It was on that initial spray that I got the maraschino type cherry smell. And again, I did like both of these, and I am going to get their counterparts. Now, the last thing I want to share with you is, y'all, I have been after this little tool set here. I'm going to see if I can turn this card around. I have been after this little tool set for a couple of years. And I don't necessarily, like, I'm not a pink girly, but I thought it was cute because it was pink. This is from Home Depot. They have a bag as well, and I think the bag might have a little bit more stuff. This was only $43. And it comes in this case. It came in a box, but it comes in this case, and I'm going to have to cut this thing off of here. So I finally found, this is Milwaukee, the thing I was looking for that is a, what is this thing, a utility knife, and I keep calling it a box cutter. So I'm going to cut this off of here, but I want to share with you really quickly, if I can, what it has in it in case you need this. Now, what I have a need for is, being a female, right? Years ago, every tool that I had, I found. A Phillips screwdriver. I don't know what the one with the straight edge is called. I don't really know the names of any tools except for a hammer and a wrench and utility scissors. But this is something that's handy for me. I think I went out and bought some Allen wrenches. Some people call them Allen wrenches, and then they have another name. I forget. It ends in keys, but they have another name. I had a need for some of those for some of my pots. When the handles would get loose, because they didn't make them with a screw. But something like this to me is handy when you are a female in your apartment and you just need something. So I'm trying to hold this so you can see it. So I apologize if it isn't focusing in yet. I'm going to see what I can do so that you can read this. But that's what I'm trying to do. And if it doesn't focus, I'll eventually just let it go. So hopefully you can see some of that right there. But I think, if I'm not mistaken, there's a little drill or something in here. Let me see. Let's see if this does anything. Okay, yeah, that's a little bit clearer. We got a putty knife, long nose pliers, adjustable wrench, scissors. See, some of this stuff I really do need. And if I keep something like this around and have batteries near it, I think I'll be okay. So we're going to open it up and let you see the inside of it. So one more time, just to see if that focuses any better, you can pause that. Let's see what we got here. Me and doing this stuff one-handed, y'all, is something else. Okay, there we go. I did it wrong. I had to let the things down. So here's what you get. So see, there right there is like a Phillips screwdriver. And the other straight edge one. I really need to learn the terms for tools. And then you got, what are those? Probably, you got your putty knife, which I have a separate putty knife. And that's probably the thing for making something level. So some of this stuff, y'all, I know what it is. Some of it I don't. But you get a nice little tool book. And because I have a separate tape measure as well. Little things like this come in handy. Okay, I have a 3.5 tape measure. And what is this right here? Electrical tape. So yeah, I like this little thing, y'all. And here's another little, I guess, utility knife. Yeah. So this is going to come in handy. I do also have separate hammers. But a lot of times I can't find them because I'll put them somewhere, call myself putting them up, pliers, things like that, and then I cannot find them. I'm trying to, yeah, focus in on whatever that is. So yeah, it's a nice little toolkit, so give it a try. So that is it, y'all. I just wanted to share my little bit of stuff with y'all. And I hope that you try out that Victoria's Secret. I was not expecting to find it in our store because a lot of y'all in cities get things way before we do. But I was very happy to have found it right after I said I wasn't going to buy no more fragrance. That's why I don't say that, because we never know what's coming out. If a vanilla don't get me, something else gets me. So I am glad that I got them, and I'm going to go ahead and get the third one. So that means that from Victoria's Secret, I now need 4 lotions because I want the Vanilla Rebel, another one, and 1 mist. So that'll be my 5 if they do a 5 sale. And then, of course, that whipped honey and vanilla, if I'm saying that right or wrong, I want from Bath& Body Works. And I already know I probably want a double set of that. And I also want more pumpkin glaze lotion and body cream. I did have another mist, but I think I'm going to let that go because it takes me a while to get through a mist. But that is it, y'all. Until the next time, everyone have a fantastic day.